We probably should have gotten the box cutter. You want to bring that? Got the pudding altar.
Oh, nice.
Oh, what? Leader?
That's fucking
No.
cool.
That's the regular one.
Nice.
Ooh!
Let's
And
go.
a secret. And so this paid for the box.
What's he gonna do?
$20. 25 going up.
I pulled that one the other day.
Munch, munch. Page 1.
Oh, jewelry, Bonnie. Let's fucking go.
Shit, I should have bought that.
Sheesh. Card you want for this particular set? Because the jack's like $8. That one's only like $1. Yo, altar carrot. Let's fucking go. What we're looking. You good?
Nearly died.
So we got 4. I think we got 4 of each. 4 of each.
That's fun.
And then these are the hits out of a case. Right here. Let's get a close up.
I know, but another one's open.
No, but another one. That's what I'm saying.
You've already made your money for another one.